We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask from returns for to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with SENS stock, slightly dipped and pulled upwards towards the end of the day. And it was not the only stock reacting like that. The overall market and the SPY reacted like that. And our SPY bot this morning since 8:40 a.m. sent us out a bear indicator. And from that moment forward, put options were up 2 to 3x, 3 to 4x at their highest points within hours, guys. And this is our new release that allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. And you can now gain access to this as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected to the SPY bot, QQQ bot, and joining the members, receiving this clarity and edge over the charts to maximize on opportunities within the volatility, and you can as well. Once again, the link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators and the SPY bot, QQQ bot, and receiving that edge that you deserve. So here we are with SENS stock, holding up pretty well. We're going to talk about support levels that we mentioned in yesterday's video and how it held up above key levels, but we need to see if this can continue. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run opportunity of the day turned out to be spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. And we strive for opportunities like these every single day. So these are the two new stocks I mentioned this morning. And we also touched base on yesterday's home run, LGVN. That turned out to be a home run as well after dipping. But the home run of the day that turned out to be spectacular was HUSN. And we caught this one early on in the pre-market. And here it was sitting sideways as it was dipping, got that bear indicator, and then it started dipping towards after the bell for about the first 15 to 30 minutes. Then it started to reverse with strength here on 42 vision, extra layer of confirmation with that bull indicator, and went for a highest point of 40% plus in a matter of minutes, guys. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. We strive for opportunities like these every single day. And let's jump into these charts. So here we are with SENS stock sitting sideways after a slight dip in the last 2 days, right? So let's go ahead and pull up Ultimate 42 Vision, the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator and getting connected over to the SPY bot, QQQ bot as well, and receiving that clarity and edge that you deserve. And you can join the members using these resources to maximize within the volatility, guys. So here we are with SENS stock under a bear indicator since yesterday, and we stated that we needed a bull indicator to go ahead and cancel it out. And here we have it in the aftermarket hours. I stated that we were going to see a lot more volatility here on the 30-minute, and on the bigger picture we were looking at things with a lot more strength, and we had some key support levels to pay close attention to here based off the history of the chart, yesterday's lows, and what the chart was showing. It bounced off of it, got that bull indicator, and now we want to see this continue into next week, and we have some resistance levels to talk about. But let's look at the 4-hour and the 1 day together to go ahead and break down the bigger picture. What is it showing after this whole entire move here and slight bullish indication on the 30-minute? Because this could quickly end, especially with how much volatility there's been in the charts. So when I pull up the 4-hour, we can go right over to that chart, and you can see that things have been under a bull indicator, and it canceled out this bear indicator way up here at $2.95. And we're struggling to get back above it, and we've been going downwards, but things are slightly reversing here. And I've stated that this could be the setup for the next bull run if no bear indicator pops up and we do not see this shift into a red bar going downwards. and canceling out this bull indicator. If not, this bull indicator is dominating the chart since way down here at 249, and things have been moving upwards since that move in that volatility, right? Because even though it went up and it came back down, it is still up from down here to this point, and it's trying to reverse to have a continuation. No bear indicator has popped up to negate it. That is super important here on the bigger picture of the 4 hour. Now, if we go over to the 1 day, you could see that the stock has been under a bull indicator since way down here at 116, full strength up towards $4, came back down and is holding up with strength here, right? But now when we go ahead and look at the bars here, they're a little bit different than on the 4 hour and the 1 day, right? Because when you look at the 1 day and you look at the 4 hour, you could see that this one is showing slight reversal of strength, going from dark green with red borders to bright green here, right? It's trying to transition into that. It's dark green with green, and then the next point is bright green, right? As it follows. But it's trying to go up towards that direction, and then when we put the 1 day here, you can actually see that things are actually going from bright green to dark green with red borders. So now, in the bigger picture of things, it is looking like a transition downwards, and we're definitely going to want to see this bar on the 1 day next week on Monday go upwards, right? Continuation. Do this effect right here. As this one's smaller, like how it was right here, the next one following it to be bigger as we see it, to do the continuation to the upside. And my drawing is terrible. I always say that. But what matters is the technicals and what it is I'm talking about here based off the chart, that we want to see this strength on the 1 day's bars and continuation of strength. Now, even though this turned red with green borders, as long as it doesn't go down to newer lows, when you really look at it from the bigger picture of things, the move from down here to here is upwards. So we just want that upward momentum to continue in the bigger picture. On the 4 hour, it's starting. Let's see if the 4 hour can pull up the 1 day with it. And on the 30-minute, it is being very volatile, and it just shifted back into a bull indicator in the aftermarket hours. Now, could this hold up? Well, we have some key levels to look at, and it's going to be very important moving forward, right? The first thing is to the downside, right? We broke through yesterday's lows of 283, 284 give or take, even 280. Then down here at this point of 268, 267 give or take. And then I talked about all the way down towards 250. And right now we've seen this stay above 260, did even reach 250. And those are still key levels to look at to the downside. And the lowest point of the day was 262. So I would just round that down to 260. And the 250s would be the next point before even looking all the way down here at the 220s, which is very important based off the history of the chart and a support level that we actually watched before all of this started popping up. Back to the upside, closer to $3, right? Now, to the upside, the highest point of the day was 295. I would just go ahead and round that up to $3. We want to see this stock go above $3 and create that staircase effect to bounce off of that and go into the 320s, and then the highs up here of the 340s, 344, and then we can start talking about 350, 360s, and then we can focus on $4, right? And this is one of the highest points that we've seen the stock reach in this rebound. And then we have all the other levels of 360 and up to the $4 range to talk about based off the last highs. But so far, it is a slight pullback based off the bigger picture and setting up for the next bull run, okay? Based off what we're seeing so far and how fast things are transitioning from bear to a bull indicator. So if this bull indicator does get negated by another bear indicator and we start breaking through support levels, then we need to start seeing what's going on here within the volatility and how the 4 hour and 1 day is reacting. Because if those start shifting downwards and getting the possibility of a bear indicator, it could negate their bull indicators that are holding strong so far based off the charts. And to receive clarity and that edge within the charts and the volatility of the markets, check out the link down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator to get connected to the SpyBot, QQQ bot, and the 42 Vision premium indicators to maximize within the volatility, and you can now gain access to this resource and join the members using it to receive that edge and clarity within the volatility, guys, to make opportunities whether stocks are going up or going down. You can receive this clarity. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, the SPY bot, QQQ bot, and we look forward to having you join us. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.